Hello, YouTube. Sorry about taking so long on my next video. Been too busy with work, trying to find a place to live, need to move, and just everyday life. Anyway, so I'm making a little update here on some stuff that I bought from eBay and things that I need to use to continue my project. Okay, so we got ourselves a nice little charger. All right, they call this the what do they call this thing again? The Nitecore I something. Hold on, let me get the box. All right, here you go. So it's called the Nitecore Intel Charger the new i4. All right. So I got two of these. All right. What else we got in here? All right. See, I got some AC outlets, waterproof. So what these look like. Get them out of the bag. Okay. Boom. How about that, huh? Bam. My daughter's laughing at me. All right, so that's one. I got two of those. All right. I got two. I don't know if you can see it in the bag or not. Yeah, we got two. All right. That bad boy in the back. All right. So what else we got in here? All right. Some holders so they could charge for the 18650 batteries. Looks like I gotta plug these individually. Tie them up. All right. Looks like there's gonna be a lot of work in this thing too. Got a couple of these. Yep. All right, and here's battery gauge, battery capacity, and voltage. Tells you if it's 12 volts or 24, I believe. And then it gives you like a little battery meter. It's a little battery meter. There's another one here. One of those. And one more. So I got 5 of these. Yep. Then we got what do we got here? Oh yeah. The DC cigarette lighter. See that? See that? See no one? Nope. Can't see through it. Thought I could. Anyway. Alright, so that's that. We need all this for our little project that we're gonna make. And this is for the external. See that? This is for an extension cord. You can plug it in. All right, this goes on the inside of the box. Well, on the outside of the box. And then you screw it in. Here it goes. All right. You screw it in from the outside in the box. You make it tight. And then you put an extension cord here and you can charge. That's the plan. That's the plan. Throw these little goodies back. Shopping spree. What we got here? Got a switch. Switch here. It's illuminated round rocker switch. So this is a dual color LED. Green when it's on, red when it's off. Right. Here we go. Probably should have broken in the bag, but whatever. There we go. So right now it's clear. So it's red, on, green. Is that right? Red, off, green, on. Okay. All right. So what else we got here? Put that back in there. All right. Okay. So now some people wonder why I'm going to do this. I don't even know why I'm going to do it. But I decided I'm going to do it anyway. This are solar panels. Sun ray or sun something. Sun something. I don't remember what it was. Anyway, there's 100 solar panels in here. They're monocrystal. And these are the bus bars that they come with. They are semi-flexible. And each one is about 3 watts, 3.2, 3.4 watts each. So we're going to make, I don't know, maybe 50 watt solar panels. The idea is to get a box and have the solar panels in the box. We're not going to make any holes on the outside of the box except for this. What the hell just happened to my video? Except for this. Something just happened. Anyway, except for this. And I'm even debating on making a hole on the outside because I hate holes. It jeopardizes the integrity of the box. And one slight mistake and you're going to have water inside. Not that I'm going to sink it in water or anything, but if you're ever in a situation where you can take it with you, or you go to the beach or you go to the park and it starts raining, you're going to get wet. Okay, so then I also bought, here we go. This is the USB ports. Okay, here we go. I bought 2 of these. Let's see if I can open it. All right, here we go. 5 volts. One is 1 amp, and the other is 2.1. Comes with a little frame. So this goes on the outside. And again, this goes on the inside. And again, like I said, I'm not crazy about making holes, but if I have to do it, I have to do it. I could put this on the top cover, and not on the bottom. I could do the same thing with everything. Instead of putting it on the side or on the bottom, I could put it on the cover itself. All right, that's how it's going to look, like that. Okay, and there's 2 of these. There you go, there's 2. Ta-da! Okay, so it'll be like this. There we go. Dun-dun. That, boom, just like that. 4 cell phones. So basically that for me, in my case, it would be for me, my daughter, and 2 other friends that I might be with. So, alrighty. So that's my update for today. Oh wait, I got one more thing. So I got this box. Mike told me this might be a good idea to have because it tells me how many amp hours, how many volts. It gives me pretty accurate information. I've never used it. I don't even know how to use it. I'm gonna have to read the instructions. Probably go on eBay and on YouTube and see if I find the video about this. I don't know what this is for. I just know that this has a face cover and it has an OK button and an arrow up and down. But it's supposed to have a whole bunch of other useful information once I turn it on. And it seems here this is for a positive and negative. That's the obvious. It's got a red and black wire there. See that? I don't know what it's for. Like I said, it's not like I could just attach it in any way. But it does have a double female cable here, USB. So I am going to figure that out. Weird thing, it comes with no instructions. I guess it's supposed to be a a born engineer, whatever. Anyway, so I'm Mike, and this is my YouTube channel for the DIY solar power generator. Subscribe and like, and I will see you soon. We will start building this thing finally. Thank you. Bye-bye.